The idea behind our device is to make the drivers cognizant to the cost of their trips. The device will help any driver who wants to know how much does he spend on fuel per trip and monthly. That has been done using the Arduino board. The OBDII and the numpad are the input tools. The Arduino will use the input data to calculate the trip's cost through our own mathematical equations. The trip's cost will be displayed directly on the LCD screen and saved on the SD card. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Bilal Abdullah from the Electrical Engineering Department.
My name is Ali Al-Mahmoudi from the Chemical Engineering Department.
My name is Saud Al-Rashdi from Mechanical Engineering Department.
My name is Mamdouh Al-Malki from Mechanical Engineering Department.
My name is Eid Al-Otaibi and I am specialized in Industrial Engineering.
I live in the north of Jeddah city. I have to drive my car for at least half an hour to the university and more than 1 hour to the work if the streets weren't crowded. I wanted to know how much do I spend on fuel for my trips. But the only available way is to calculate it manually using hands. So we used technology to make it easier.
In our project, we will use the data we extract from the OBDII base to produce new data. What's important in this data? To be very familiar with the price of your trips.
The first beneficiary of our project idea is the driver. The driver can know how much he spends monthly on the fuel. Also, the business companies, they can figure out the transportation allowance for their employees.
To use our device, we need to connect the OBDII tool with the car. Then, we need to connect the device with the power to show us on the screen the price of the gas which the driver uses in his car. Moreover, the device will ask the user to give the file any name for saving the data. When the car starts moving, the device will start calculating the cost of the car trip and then display its information on the LCD screen. After that, you can save the information on the memory card.
While we were working on our project, we have faced two constraints. The first thing, the availability of the parts in the local market. And the second thing is the cost. It must be lower than 400 riyal. About the future improvement, we hope to use the wires rather than Bluetooth to more easier using for device.